From forestry to finance and far beyond, the European Union's space programme Copernicus supports industry in becoming more efficient, sustainable and resilient. During the last year, EUSPA, together with the European space ecosystem, supported several industry players to integrate Copernicus Earth observation data to support supply chain sustainability, increase efficiency and enable more sustainable sourcing. With its Copernicus demonstrators, the EU Agency for the Space Programme, EUSPA, aims at bringing space-based services to the heart of European and global business operations.
We want to make a positive impact on people, on society and on the planet. My name is Silja and I work as climate analyst at Ikea Supply Sweden. Through this demonstrator, we were able to explore how space data and services could support us to address a key business need, which is the capability of measuring the changes in the carbon that is stored in the forest ecosystems that are connected to Ikea's supply chain. For this purpose, during this demonstrator, we used Earth observation and Copernicus data to tackle this issue. In our opinion, Copernicus enables remote monitoring at the scale, which for companies as Ikea, sitting at the end of the value chain, where actually field data is very limited, can be very useful for measuring impacts at the land. Quite surprising was the user-focused approach that Copernicus has and is actively working on making data more accessible and usable by non-space companies like us.
By fostering access to Copernicus and other programs and by connecting companies with the ideal space service providers, the EUSPA demonstrators support the creation of practical, scalable and sustainable solutions.
Space brings incredible opportunity and European space data are much more accessible than you might think. So whether you would like to make your business more efficient or to create a complete new business model, EU Space is your solution.
We are devoted to the users, so if you would like to learn more about our activities with the private sector and also focusing on different components of the space program, please do not hesitate to get in touch and be in contact with us.
Let's explore together how space can support your business.
Want to learn more about the EUSPA demonstrator? Get in touch.